Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a short set with a colored French or colored tip. I actually don't know what the name is, so just stay tuned. So now I am filing the tips with a 80 by 80 hand file. I'm just shaping it into a square shape as for she wanted a square shape. What I also do, I do blend the tips with the hand file. You can do it with your sanding band. I do my sanding band sometimes, but I was not in the mood to use a sanding band. So yeah, I shape it. Also do afterwards is I turn the hand around towards me so I can see if everything is straight, and if not, I do straighten it out. So now I go in with my manicure brush to dust off all the dust of the nails. So then I can then go in and prep the nails. I spray the nails with alcohol, 100% pure alcohol. You can use your dehydrator, but I prefer alcohol. I then set my paper towel, my liquid, and my powder. And then I go in with my CJP, I think it's called CJP primer. I prime the nails twice. Don't do too much because this is a acid primer and it can spread all over the nails and get into the cuticles, and you do not want that. To build my nail with my cover peach from Cakes and Nails. I try to do the 2 bead method, so you just put it at the like a bit above the middle of the nail. I build that to the free edge, and then I go in with a little bead and build the cuticle and my apex. So when I pick up a bead and I feel like it's too wet, I dry it off on my table towel, kitchen towel. I don't know, in Dutch we say good, also that's kitchen towel, but I don't know if you say kitchen towel. But anyway, I dry it off on there to like get the weed and weed. Sorry, I meant bead, to get the bead a little bit dry, and then I go in, especially for the cuticles, because you do not want to overflood the cuticles. I then going to file the nails with my medium coarse drill bit. I got this bit from Cakes Ink Nails. It was from the Blue Nano series. I think it's sold out or something like that, but you can get any series they have and just get medium coarse. I use this on the speed of, I think, 20,000 or 25,000. I'm not sure. And to file, I do not file a lot though, because obviously my application was a bit thin and good enough, so you don't need to file a lot. If you apply a lot, then you will need to file a lot. I hope that makes sense. Medium coarse bit. I think this is from Cakes Ink as well. No, it's from Amazon. Sorry, I think it's from Amazon. I'm not sure. I will look for the link and put it down below. I use this bit to go near the cuticles because obviously the other one is very sharp and I don't want to get too close to the cuticles. I don't always do this though. It depends on how I'm feeling actually. I then go back in with my hand file 80 by 80 to smooth things over and make everything sharp and bring the nails back into form or into shape, and that's what I'll keep on doing. Buffer file. I got this also from Cakes Ink Nails. I don't know what it's actually called, but you can just like rip it off the metal part and put a new one on for each client. I make sure to go over this over the whole nail and underneath the nails. Brush from Markart. I got it from Amazon as well. And then I go in with my perfect white gel polish from Madame Glam to draw the fringe onto the nails. And then I do cure this so that I can go in with my pigment colors. then I let her cure it for like 30 to 60 seconds in my sun UV LED lamp. I got it from Amazon as well for like $50. And then these are the pigment powders that I am going to use on her nails. We chose to go for the color neon yellow. I just used like a little makeup thingy. I don't know, you know what we used to use when we were little. That's just, I dab it in and then I dab it onto the cured gel polish. It doesn't matter if you get it onto the nail as long as you clean it before you top coat it. So I just press it onto the white gel polish, just press till like it gets till you see no more white. So after all that is done, I dust off the nails with a dust brush. I do this before curing the nails, and after dusting, if it's really not clean, I dab a little brush into a little bit of acetone and then clean the nails real good before curing it. So after cleaning up the nails, you do not need to cure the nails. I just go in with my top coat. My top coat is just some random top coat I got from my local supply store when I was in Leeds. It's really good, so I got like tons, but I still use it and it's really good. Put it into the lamp for like 2 minutes and then the nails are good to go. So this is the finished result. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and do turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload a video you get a notification.